integration of dx upon cube root of x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 whole power 4. You have to find the integration of this. So very important question here. Dx upon cube root of x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 whole power 4. How to integrate these functions? So let us see here. I is equal to, I can write as cube root is there. So 2x dx upon cube root of, I write here cube root of x minus 1 whole square into cube root of x plus 2 whole cube. I can take one cube root as out and cube root of x plus 2. You can see that cube root will be gets cancelled. But here cube root to get this one, multiply on numerator and denominator. I is equal to multiply numerator and denominator with cube root of x minus 1 whole square. I just separated, but no need to separate. We can do inside also. It means what I want to say is you can write only one cube root is enough. To make you understand, I separated. Okay. So what I get here, I multiply and divide by this one cube root of x minus 1 whole square. And then here you have whole square, so I multiply with 1 upon, I'll multiply down, so I get as cube root of x minus 1, cube root of x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. I did with cube root, so I multiplied on the numerator and denominator, and is here left is x plus 2, in bracket you have cube root of x plus 2, and you have dx. Okay, hope you understand. This is equal to, I is equal to, here cube root, this is gets cancelled, cube here, so I can write what here, integration dx into x minus 1 cube root, that is 1 by 3. Can I write 1 by 3? Upon here, this will be cancelled out, so what is remain here, x minus 1 into x plus 2, and you have cube root of x plus 2 dx. This is what is the beauty of the question. It is become like this. So what I get here, I is equal to, I got here this one I can write as x minus 1 upon x plus 2 cube root. This is nothing but is a cube root divided by you have x minus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Because this x plus 2 is down is there, you can take totally on the top here. So what I do here, x minus 1 upon x plus 2 cube root, this I will take as t cube. Now to remove this one, I take as t cube. Cubing on both sides. Okay, I take this is as a t cube, so this cube root will be gets cancelled out. So what I am going to get is important. Let us see here. If I see here, I is equal to, I get as this one as integration of 1 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2, and this total will become t cube, right? That is, I am taking this is x minus 1 upon x plus 2. Sorry, this is mistake. X minus 1 upon x plus t. I write this is t cube. I write this is t cube. Okay. I take only that is t cube. So I can write cube root of. On the numerator you have to write this one. On the numerator you have to write cube root of t cube. I can write. And dx, what is going to happen? This is cancelled. What is going to happen dx? So now we can differentiate. This is u by v formula. U by v formula is u dash v minus v dash u. U dash means the differentiation of x minus 1. Differentiation of x minus 1 is 1. U dash v, that is x plus 2, minus v dash u, v dash u, v dash, this is the differentiation of this one is 1, and u is x minus 1. Hope you understand on the top. U dash, this is 1 into v minus v dash, this is 1 into u upon v square, that is x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3t square dt, and this total is a dx. So this is whole thing is a dx. So what is becoming on the top? X plus 2 minus x. I think you are getting on the top. What you are getting? You are getting here on the top as x plus 2 minus x cancel. I think you are getting 3, right? You are getting here minus into minus plus 1, but you are getting 3 upon x plus 2 whole equal to 3t square dt, and 3 gets cancelled. So dx upon 1 plus here dx upon 1, that should be getting x plus 2 whole square. So for that I am multiplying x plus 2 wholes and I am dividing with x plus 2. I am multiplying and dividing with x plus 2 whole square because I have to get square on the top. So this is the dx what we have. So what I can write this one, I is equal to integration of this I get as t upon, I did not substitute till dx, I can write as x minus 1, this I can write as x plus 2 whole square, and this is dx. And you have again here what is left, one more x plus 2 is so divided by x plus 2 it is left. Divided by x plus 2. This is divided and dx is, this is what is left. So this is can be written as I is equal to integration of t upon, see that this total thing can be written as t square dt, t square dt upon x minus 1 upon x plus 2. I wrote as t cube and this is became t cube. So I is equal to, you got as t cube by t cube dt. That's a beauty, very simple. I is equal to integration of 1 dt. That is nothing but the integration of 1 is nothing but what? T plus c. What is t? What was t here? T is this one. T cube is this, then t will be what here? Cube root of this. 3 power something is a cube root. So I is equal to cube root of x minus 1 by x plus 2 plus c is your answer. Hope you understand.